Hey gang, welcome back to Opa's Diecast Restorations. Today I got a little unboxing video. I just received this package from Paul over at Diecast Graveyard, and he let me know he was sending me some goodies. So thank you, Paul, and let's get started. Got a Maisto fantasy car. Looks like a 32 Ford. He sent me a whole bunch of goodies. It looks like a 59 Chevy Impala, 58. Muscle Speeder Hot Wheels. Got Milk, Dairy Delivery. It's iRock. I don't know who it's made by. Could be Hot Wheels. '56 Chevy pickup. Oh, I got used to this hauling gas. This one's a Superman. Here we got a bone shaker. Ooh, very nice. 68 Charger. Johnny Lightning. Oh, I love these muscle machines. Looks like a Chevy wagon. I just love those things. Evil Twin. A Ford Concept. Dodge Challenger. Black Widow delivery vehicle. All these are mostly Hot Wheels. Some kind of a concept car, I guess. I don't know. 32 Ford. Here's a Plymouth Prowler Racing Champion. This is Mod Rod. Dodge A100 Spy versus Spy. Looks like a Firebird. Rockstar Humvee. Boulevard Bruiser. Looks like a knockoff fantasy version of Mustang. Another Mustang Cobra. This is a Matchbox Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud. Little Chevy 2. I think that's what that said. Little Datsun 510. Got yourself a Cougar there. Some kind of Hot Wheels weirdo design taco runner. There's a Plymouth Barracuda 69. Here's a Camaro Z28. Some old Roadster. Datsun pickup. Hot Wheels. Another Chevy 2. Different color, Hot Wheels. Race Bait 308. Ferrari. Here's a Hot Wheels Woody. There's a Matchbox GT40. Definite need of some restoration. Gonna need some new tires. Whoa! Looky there. Hot Wheels Silhouette. Been dying to get working on some of these Redline old ones. Boy, that's right on the money there. Ooh, not only one, but two silhouettes. Oh man, here's another one, the Whipped Creamer. Definitely needs some restoration. Corvette Hot Wheels. Last but not least, Real Riders Metal Mania Jaguar Lightweight E-Type Carry-On. Oh, I see a lot of potential for this. It's made by Mattel. Well, thank you, Paul. I do greatly appreciate that. And I hope this video wasn't too long for you. And thank you for watching. For now, this is Opal saying goodbye.